Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools. We all know how vital it is to have good communication in this district with our families and students, and we all play an important role. So if you haven't looked at it already, check out the Student Contact Log, a better way to document communication with student contacts in Focus. While we do have that convenient communication piece inside Focus, we know that that's only for parents who have a linked portal account. However, there's so many other ways to communicate, whether it's via phone or an email, so let's look at some different ways to document that inside of Focus. From your Focus portal screen, you're going to first select a student. So in the top left corner, you can select from the drop-down or filter if you'd like. I'm going to choose Katie Bell for example, and once this loads, you'll be able to see all of the student info tabs for Katie. We're going to scroll down here alphabetically on the left-hand side until we find the contact log. Once this page loads, you'll be able to begin documenting the details of your contact, starting first with that date of contact. Once you select in this field, you can choose a date from that pop-up calendar. This can even be backdated if needed. Next, you'll be able to select the type of contact if you're using something other than the communication piece inside Focus. If your communication type isn't listed in this dropdown, you can select Other and leave those details in the notes. For this example, we're going to select Phone Call. For our next dropdown, you'll be able to choose whether or not you made successful contact with that parent. We have the options of yes or no here. To make this documentation easy, you can provide additional details in the contact notes section. This could be things like who you made contact with, when you made that contact, and what it was in reference to. You can select a preferred contact from this dropdown if you know that there is a contact who is better to get a hold of during certain times. You can also choose to add contact notes here, like maybe mom works until 5 p.m. nightly, so it's better to call her after a certain time. This will also be available for other teachers to view on this student. Moving down, we have the student's contacts field. This will give you a quick way to view the relation, name, contact type, as well as phone and email for those additional student contacts without having to go to the Addresses and Contacts tab. You can also quickly view here if any of the following users above have parent portal accounts linked to that student. You can see here that we have no records found, meaning that Katie Bell does not have a parent who has a portal account. As you scroll towards the bottom, you're able to see all of the contact attempts made for this student. This will be from you or from any other teacher or staff member that has access to this student field. You can see the date, the type of contact, whether or not it was successful, any contact notes, and who made that entry. Before you leave the screen, don't forget to click that Save button in the top right corner so you will have your contact attempt documented here on this contact log. Using the contact log allows other users inside Focus to be able to view the information for this student. So get rid of those sticky notes and those Google Docs and document using the contact log. And that's another Byte of Tech with your Focus Student Data Team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out some of our additional videos, such as the student contact sheets.